Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm the founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, forgive me, I'm having some headache. That's why I'm talking like this. Yeah, so today my DM is frozen. Yeah, people like me asking me, yo, bro, Neptune Network, we can't see our assets. Everything is gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. So, and I asked them two things. Since you are saying that it's a scam, why are you scared if they are gone? Because they'll be going. And I always ask them, this is not the first time this thing happened. It have happened several times. So you be patient and it will come back. Yeah. At times there are some things you don't need to ask your mentor or you don't need to ask anyone, you see, because this is not the first time this thing happened before. Before 10th of last month, it's happened the same. And people were saying that okay, right now they are run away, blah 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 blah. You see, right now I'm in their official website. You see, and if you open their official website, this is how it comes. You see, nothing shows, and the browser working is what Cloudflare host. The host is error. That means the host is what is gone, and it's very alarming because the reason why I ask them that if they are gone, that's what you were praying for. So why are you scared right now? You see, at first their website was working perfectly, and their app was misbehaving. But right now, if you open their app, nothing is popping up, and if you go to Neptune.bet to nothing pops up. You see, it's be like this since afternoon. You see, and this one is very alarming. This one is very alarming, and we don't know whether they are doing some maintenance on their website or not. But this thing have happened before, but their website doing this thing, that one, the gateway timeout, that one, me, I haven't seen some before. This is my first time seeing this. Because you can see that the browser working is correct, Cloudflare is correct, the Neptune.bet host is error. That means the host has been terminated. That means Neptune.bet is what the host has been expired. And that one smells so fishy. That one smells so fishy. So I think we don't know. That is why I said we shouldn't be quick to judge anything because and you can see that the Cloudflare weekend was in Paris. In Paris. You see, yeah. So me, I'm not afraid if they come back or they don't come back. You see, because Charlie, we be spending some things. You see that thing? Yeah. And one thing about the Neptune app was that you can see your asset, but if you go to the farm game, you can enjoy your farm. You can see your total money in the farm game. You can see everything. Yeah. But on the dashboard it's blank. Yeah. And you shouldn't be scared. Just let's wait for tomorrow. Yeah. Because these things, it have happened before. And when these things like this happen, it's maybe that the website is under attack or the website is what under maintenance. You see, yeah, it can be two things. Whether the website is an attack or the website is under what maintenance. So you just let's wait and see what is next, because according to their telegram, they are saying that they will be coming back fully on the 21st of this month. So if that's so, maybe they are doing maintenance. And people always get me wrong. I'm not here to defend anyone. I'm not here to defend Neptune Network or blah blah. I'm not here to defend anything. I'm just doing videos for people to understand more. You see, so I'm not here to defend anything. What I know is what I'm saying. I'm not here to defend anyone that blah 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 blah. No, I'm not here to do that. I'm here to tell you the logical facts. You see that thing? Yeah. And at times too, I can't trip. That one is cool. You see? Yeah. I'm not here to do anything. So the reason why I do this video is that since I followed Neptune Network, I haven't seen this thing before. Their website running down and their app running down as well. I haven't seen that one before, and it's very alarming to me. That one, I'll say it's very alarming to me, because the website and the app can't go off like that. And you can see that everything working, but the Neptune.bat host, the host has been not, either it has been expired and it's under maintenance, or they have terminated it. Yeah, or they are for terminated. So you can click, you can see this you can see your IP and everything. So we don't know whether they are gone or not, but we shouldn't click on the panic button right now. Let's wait, because these things, some have happened before, but for the website and the app to go off like this down, that one, it have never happened before. This have never happened before. Yeah, but their telegram is still there. Yeah, so let's wait for some time and see if they are truly gone or not. I hope you understand. Yeah, if they're truly gone or not, because to me, right at this moment, to me, I'm very scared, because since we follow them, me, I haven't seen the website doing like this before. Maybe some people have witnessed that, but me, I haven't witnessed this before. The only thing I witnessed was their app going blank, coming back, going blank, coming back. That one, I've been witness of that before. But for their website and the app to run down like this, that one, I've no idea. And one thing is, today I tried to log in into my wallet. It was blank, but when I go to the farm game, everything worked perfectly. You can see your actual coin, everything worked perfectly. And I don't know the reason why. Because the dashboard is not working, but the game is working perfectly. So what is the cause? You see, what is the cause? Yeah, at this moment, everything can happen, but let's hope for the best. Yeah, let's hope for the best. You can see that the cloud working. The cloud it go to Paris, Amsterdam. Let me show you. So, Charlie, they really work on their websites and things. You see, it goes to Paris, comes to Amsterdam. You can't trace the Cloudflare working. You can't trace it. It comes to Paris, comes to Amsterdam. It changes like that. You see, yeah. But but we have noticed that the people behind the Neptune Network were from Pakistan. Yeah, they were from Pakistan, and that's what we are doing. We are doing our research, we are doing our research and everything. Yeah, and we will bring you every details about it. Yeah, we will bring you every details about it because we can't make them. And one thing about this is that people think that like I'm happy if like I'm happy they have lost their money. No, because me, I introduced more than 1,000 people to Neptune Network. You said that then. So I'm not happy. So if they don't come back, we will embark our journey to fish them out. That's what you'll be doing, to fish them out. Yeah. Sorry, I'm having some headache, so sorry for these things. I beg you, sorry. Yeah. So we'll be embarking our journey to fish them out. Yeah, and we'll document everything so that you too you know where your money lies, everything is going. Yeah. So this a short announcement. Like we shouldn't click on the panic button right now. Let's wait and let's see what or how it goes. Yeah, so thank you for watching me and don't forget to subscribe.